All right. So a little break, half an hour maybe, and we're back talking in the Queens. Okay, so now we have this. Where was I? I watched a little best of Breaking Bad. So, oh yeah, we were, no, this is not iterable. Because I don't know, to be honest, why? Wait, does this have a start? No, it doesn't have a start. So we are in the insta, current, frequencies, current, selected. Is not iterable. I do not understand. Let's do a console log. So first, before I do much more here, when I am first, let's QWERTY self-select all, and then he goes back to since to select all. This we need to change as well. Oh no, this is a problem. Here we are, and the current, it doesn't have it selected for some reason. Did I add this? Later? Okay, oh, wrong. Mode. Why? Okay, that's a different bug. Boards.words is undefined. Which is weird. Toke is hot. Doesn't have words for some reason. For some strange reason, it doesn't have words. Why is this? Why doesn't he have words? Vorlage.words. Well, he does have words. He does have words. Oops. Okay, let's check this real quick. Words. No, once again. is the problem? Hort. Here, this is a problem. Oh, I get it. I forgot to destructure it. Hey Rudra, I'm doing great. How are you doing? Now I'm a little bit quicker in realizing when someone is actually writing, because I put the chat on the right monitor. Wait. Works now. Calorie property of undefined selected. Why? Oh, that is a problem. Because yeah, I do not really like social media, the word social media. I don't think it fits this category that well. It's for personal use, so you can do those mind maps, or minds, how I call them, M-Y-N-E. And you can write all of there locally. It gets stored in IndexedDB, and then whatever you choose, you can upload to like cloud, in this case Firestore, until this hopefully makes some money and I can do my own servers. And then those shared, everything shared, everyone else can like explore on their own. So when they load the app, because then everything that's in Firestore gets loaded in. Yeah, I really like the idea as well. Yeah. Okay, but I have a problem here. Did you already answer if you're like a coder as well? Right now, I just ran into an in-between bug. So I have words and hordes. Hordes stands for hyphenated words. It's just like this here, when we have like a hyphen in between. So every time we hit space, we like tokenize the string. And this gets turned into a horde. And the bug that I'm currently facing, not really a bug, just something I didn't consider, is, it has selected. The function is, yeah, it's a little small for you to see, right? That is, that here is the thing. It just turns it into a word object, so to speak. It is a word object, and yeah, you see the red. I think it's too small for you to make out the words, but it says that cannot read property of undefined selected, which is a little weird because okay, I pass it the word. This is the only problem. I say toke. I think now it should work. It's Johannes. It's a German sounding name. Bakari. I made the name for this YouTube channel when I think I created it to be like a podcast with like a Discord friend from like 3 or 4 years ago. Yeah, but we only made one episode. Oh, now it works, but now we get, for some reason we get 2. This is not good. Okay, for some reason, goodbye. Yeah, do that. Huh. Why does it do this? That is interesting. That is interesting. Why does it do that? Oh, now it does it 3 times. Okay, there's something wrong. So I guess, probably, I think I know the problem. Every word also has a, oh wait, does it? No. Huh. That is curious. That is interesting. Wait 1 second. I think it's time to ask Gemini again. Might be quicker. Oh wait, by the way. No, not string. I guess input. Oh wait, no, I can do this myself in the tokes for the horde. And then I want my special space. Where is it? Where do I have it? Huh? Oh well. Here. Okay. So maybe. Okay. One, two, three. Oh, this didn't work. Okay. Oh. No, I need Vorlage, dude. No, I need the Vorlage. Oh, but that is the thing. I mean, he's not wrong, but this shouldn't be the case. I can just do it like this, where here Vorlage string equals word. Okay, now this is okay. And I want this to appear. Why does Horde have a style, by the way? It doesn't have a style? The Horde doesn't have a style, dude. No, the style is display flex. I hope I said goodbye to Rudra. Flex direction, no, dude, not column. Row. Right? No, column. I'm always very, yeah. Okay. Yeah, no, that's fine. That it doesn't tokenize every end in a hyphen. So now, but this was okay. Now we fixed a little bit here with the Horde. But where were we? We were somewhere else already. Yeah, we were at highlighting. What? Yeah, we were at highlighting. And that we do not do anything yet, but we are very close to if what.all selected.push. Yep. Yep, that is actually what I wanted. And now now we going to Ibiza. Gonna have a party in the Mediterranean Sea. Oh, we're going to Ibiza. I've been to Ibiza. Sadly, the last time, my last holiday, and that was 11 years ago, in 2014, which is also the last time, except for Holland once and Czechia once, where I left the country. Which is very sad emoji. So, okay. Oh, the selected, yes. And then I guess we also have a clear here in QWERTYs. Do we already have this? Oh, no, not in QWERTYs, in frequencies. No, we do not have a clear. Function clear. Let's just do selected. Yes, comes do. Now come you. No, nothing. Mr. Copilot? Yes. Yep. I know you could do it, Copilot. Or Gemini, I think. I do not have a Copilot subscription because no money. Sadly. Technically, I have 10 euros to spare, which would be handy, but I have no way to get it to the internet. Because I already said that my credit card is blocked, which is not the case anymore. It's unblocked, but the bank account is empty. I'm running on cashola only currently. Okay, so never mind, this very personal as well. None of yours business. Okay, now we want to select. Oh, this already works, by the way. Yeah, no, we want to remove. So I have too many. We were here, right? Where are we? Why are we here? No, we are in down, right? In backspace. Okay, no, this didn't work. So this is highlighted, and we do this here in select all in the QWERTYs, which passes it to the funds or since. Here the select, yes, and then we go to frequencies.shelf. Thank you. Set selected, right? Selected, and we do this. This probably works. And then when we are on backspace, we want to go to frequencies dot shelf, and here to remove. I'm not saying this isn't a little convoluted. It could have been done with less back and forth calls. It's fine. It really is fine. It doesn't have to be. I mean, it has to be perfect, but perfect is very subjective, right? Okay, here. Remove the tokes. That is also wrong. If tokes includes tokes.link, could work actually. And then we want to say frequencies.shelf. It was clear, right? No, not this. Selected. I think we have clear, right? Yeah. No? Nah. Oh, that does work. Nice. Oh, wait, what? Oh, yeah. But I thought, actually, that we handled this already by having a counter, but we do not. This is good to catch it now. What happened to Vengaboys? They were not a one-hit wonder in Germany. They had a couple of hits, which I don't remember anymore, but they had more hits. The Vengaboys are coming. This is another hit. And I'm sure they had like 4 or 5 songs which were in, I would say, top 10 in the 90s. That must be weird. I mean, now I guess enough time has passed that people get used to anything. But like being freshly not famous anymore, especially when you were, I don't know, especially, but when you were more than a one-hit wonder, and they weren't, they had more. And then you fall off, I don't know how much money, I mean, they were in the 90s, and I would think, I mean, there's less money-making opportunities from like the internet. There wasn't really no real social media internet like this. But they had like CD sales if they had a good enough deal. Okay, this is a problem here. First, oh, why did this get removed? Probably because of the key. Silly, so silly. Oh, so silly. So silly. So what do? We do something here with a count. I'm pretty sure. Here, the order. Yeah, we always we add an order here. So we can say that toke fq.order we need to, in the actual, not in the string, but in, I guess, word and hort, here the key, oh no, in the mapping of the put, I guess. The key has to be plus toke.fq.order, which it always should have. Let's throw, but we don't have anything yet. It doesn't throw, that means we... But that was weird that... Toke is not defined. Ah, wait, what? Oh yeah, here, because here. Now it works. I mean, at least this. Yeah, I know that it's the same child for some reason. I.R.L. slow fade. Oh no, wait. Rank 1. Okay, rank 2. Rank 3. There you go. So, oh, it's because it should be rank and not order. And I'm pretty sure that now it will work. Yeah. Now, okay. Oh, the A. Also interesting. Because it's only one letter. Which means it's not a word in the I.R.L, which I have to tweak because it's too early to... Oh, that sounds a little pompous. Hey, the okay is not... let's say it's bad because it's too early to re-educate the population to just ditch I. I mean, it can phonetically, it can be the same, but write it like EI or AI, like I. And what else do we have? Just make it like AA. And it's pronounced the same. But it's too early for this, so actually we could just make an exception and say, I don't know how many countries, I mean, Français, Français hat OA, la word à la café, mais I or ich, c'est je en français. J'ai froissé à la collègue pour 7 ans, mais that was très long time ago. Ist ein bisschen her, mein Französisch. Mon français, not very good. Mon français n'est pas très bon. Okay. So much to this. For this. Ooh, we're going to Ibiza. We're gonna have a party. Mediterranean Sea. Oh, the parent, by the way. We do not even have a parent. I guess the parent can be the link of the Vorlage, right? Oh, that's, by the way, correct. I think this is where the parent goes. Yeah, but it's fine. This is, oh, but the parent can also be, yeah, yeah, the line, the actual line here, which once again, okay, but that's good. Let's see, yeah, this all checks out. And if we go like this, oh, this, here we have a bug. Here we have a bug. So when we do this, it gets removed, and now when we hit space, why is this? This is very specific. I wanted to continue, and now we get. Why could this be? Where do we start here? It's used with an A. It has not up-to-date references, but that's fine. Oh, sorry. Processing user input. Okay, while he does his thing, I'm gonna make myself another cancer stick. Lane port. It is true. It is kind of fitting. Okay, what was the problem? Cursor? Don't call it cursor. It's a blinker. It's a blinker, dude. Blinker. I didn't. Wait, I do. I do. Before. Okay, let's see. We will see about this. If no, it is not. The duplication. Oh. Wait, what? Nope. Nope, it is not gone. This is also revert changes. It made it worse. why is this now? Here, why? What did you do? Down. No, it doesn't. Okay, let's say if we have okay, first let's add the blinker, I guess, to okay, now let's just say, okay, first let's see how the blinker looks. And since okay, first input, I guess we do the blinker. This is a little big, and also on the bottom for some reason. So it shouldn't have. Flex end here, that's a problem. Okay, does this end change anything? Yeah, no. Oh, I reconnected, I disconnected. By the way, isn't this, if we don't have anything here, isn't this also working? Yeah, maybe if we do it like this, what? Paste. Wow. Oh, it is annoying. I mean, I guess what? Oh, it's not in. It's not in quotes. Why isn't? Hey. Oh, it was flex end, right? Come on! This makes no sense. I am so annoyed by styling. Diff. No. Oh wow. Does this work? I mean, I guess. Also not really. So this shouldn't have a margin. Okay. Whatever. Oh, what? Oh, interesting. Okay, so now let's do this little first. Let's also have the blinker not have any margin. Yeah. Okay. So, how do we do this? So we go into string, which we have where do we have the string? We have the string here. Oh, we already have a right. Okay, so I guess what we do now is we are clever. Oh, we can actually oh yeah, we could, by the way, we can put the blinky in the cursor. We can, what did I just say? We can put the blinker in the string. Oh. Now we have two blinkies, I think. No? Should we have two blinkies? Ah, no, that's funny. We do, and it, I have too much stuff open. In the put, right? Let's remove it here. Let's remove the blinky from here. And then we say, now we do when we either click, and it won't be that easy, I believe. Oh, this is also wrong. So what we need is an use, no, not use strings, I should have made it. Use strings. Blinky, true. String dot blinky and blinker. And then in the put, by the way, let's have a frequency. Yes, but we need, oh, we do not export it. And no, put is not defined. Oh. Oh wait, no, we have put here. Okay. Oh. Direction is row. Row, 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 row. Yeah. Okay. Now Yeah, that's good. That is good. So, what I want now is the string. Let's first start with this. I think in down. No, just left. Actually, I do not know. Oh no, that's on up, by the way. I want this behavior in up so we can use the down keys as shift keys. But to be honest, I don't know what this is called. So we do. We check. Key, arrow left, arrow right, arrow. Okay. If I need mode for this, by the way. Mode. No, I mean yes, man. Okay. String. For some reason, up doesn't even get keys. Mode. Oh no, mode. Yeah. Where do we have mode? We have the mode in synths, right? Oh. Inputs. Yeah. Inputs.indo.mode. Okay, this will work. And we have the string also here now. Okay. if key.code equals arrow left first, check all of this. Oh wow, it's super laggy. Oh, it didn't. No, it doesn't. Mode, arrow left. Oh, mode dot label mode 0 mode. Oh, mode dot current. That's a problem. Yeah, mode.current, we are in sin. Quick check, okay. So now, what we want is for the string no, by the way, we need to call set string here. Okay, and then no, dude, that's too early. Oh, I think this will be and states Yeah. And right, no. Or don't I? Doesn't, sorry, doesn't the string in states have a right? Did I forget this? This has a right. Wait till I get my money right. States. String, it does have a right. I just do it like this. Wow, this does not work at all. Do we need this? Is this a? No. Chance.join. Why does this work here, but not here? Okay, first. Yes. Do you know what I want? No, dude. No. Chars.shift, right? by the way, does pop work on a string? No, it doesn't work on a string. Or does it work on a string? Let's try. Let's just try. Or do we get an error? I think we get an error when we try to do pop on a string. Yeah, this is not a function. So we need this again. But why this join doesn't work? Oh, we also want the states dot current dot string equals previous dot string states dot current dot string dot write no equals chars dot join. Oh, now it works. Oh, undefined. Ah. Okay. First, I guess it needs to be on down and not on up. Yeah, that's fine. We have enough keys, more than we know what to do with it. So let's put this on down, just like this. You can put it at the very top, because why not? And do we have anything here? Yeah, I think we have anything. We want, our mode is not defined. Mode. I am here in my mode. I am here in my mode. Sniffing off screen, but it is my code. As if I had any money for this. I'm going to Ibiza. We're gonna have a party. Mediterranean Sea. Ibiza was nice. Oh. My stupid girlfriend at the time wanted to do Molly, MDMA. Okay, we both wanted to do it. So we're at some club. And I scored some. And then, sorry, Indo was not defined. Wait a second. Yeah, but why is this on give up? Why do I was copy and pasting from puts.in.mode. Yeah. As I said, this was 11 years ago, the story, so. Current, undefined current. Puts.in.mode, we are in down. And after I.R.Ls, note, it's not, okay. Hey. Yeah, so I gave her the little baggie. No, I went first, of course. I took some, it's fine. And then I gave her the baggie. And she went into the toilet, came out. And the baggie was empty. And she's like, I'm not sure if that was enough. I'm like, Jesus fucking Christ. We bought like, I don't know, not that much. I mean, but way too much. Let's say it was like half a gram. And I mean, I know myself, I probably took like 200. It was probably a gram when you think about it. You don't buy half a gram. So, yeah, I probably took like 200. And she just took like 800 milligrams, which is way too much. And especially for her, because she was super fucking sensible when it comes to that. Like 50 would have been fine. And this stupid Rita went out, oh, I don't think that was enough. Are you kidding me? Yeah, so it was fun for like 10 minutes on the come up until she just started drooling and lying down on the floor in the big club. So I got her out of there, called a cab, and the cab driver was very considerate. He was, I mean, he wasn't rude, but he was like suspicious that I drugged her, which is 100% fine with me. To be, if you drag like a girl out of a club into a cab and drive to a hotel, and she's like just laying there with her eyes rolling in the back. Luckily, I guess lucky for me, she could talk and could convince the cab driver that I am indeed the boyfriend. I was laughing. I mean, I was having a good time. I was on Molly. Yeah. Sorry, I have to. But I do not understand why key down. Oh yeah, I have to do this. Yeah, and I don't know if she had the time. I mean, it was fine when she was puking then, which is probably a good thing. And then she was fine. And it doesn't kill you. Drank a lot. oh yeah, if, yeah, and also, I guess, then we cannot, okay, I guess we do have to do the mode again. It puts dot mode equals, oh, actually we have to do two parentheses. I don't know if we have to be honest, but this helps me to see actually which one belongs together, because everything inside a tuple or tuple with parentheses, you can say, gets reduced to like one value. So a tuple is always one value. So this is either true or false. So it's not true, yeah. And a thing, okay, let's sing, and e dot key is not arrow left, and e dot key is not arrow right. Come on! Why? It works here. Ah, now. Wow. Oops. Ah, Jesus. Okay, I broke it. Oh yeah. If it's really slow. So, but slow and steady. Where am I? Where am I? Right now. According to the noise outside, I'm in some war-torn Eastern European country, and not in Germany. Okay, we want to be in down, okay. Okay, let's first move this. If can help myself with this funny little gag. Yeah, that is, I cannot tap because it lags too much. And I cannot paste. Do you see this? What is this? That's a shitty laptop. That's what it is. Cannot run VS Code. No, it's better. Oh, we're going to Ibiza. We're gonna have a party. Mediterranean Sea. Oh no, wait, that's... Okay, now we have this use case. Oh, and the delete, we can also do delete. Now, it makes sense that we have a right. You gotta fight for your right. Body, body. It's funny for me. I don't know. Okay, on down. Do I want it on down? The end also on down? Yeah. If key.code equals, is it delete? Is it this? First we can check if it's actually delete. It is delete, but it didn't. Yeah, now it feels like I have to compile JavaScript on this laptop. If you're not such a pro at coding like me, compiling is, you don't compile, it's runtime. That's one of the strengths of JavaScript. You don't have to compile it like, I don't know if it's, I mean, I guess it's not the only language, but you compile Python and Java, C. Like every other language I know, you compile, but not JavaScript. But I'm sure there are others that you do not compile. And maybe someone will correct me and say that you actually do compile it somewhere, but I don't know. Yeah, so if where we first go set string and press. No, not like this. No, that is corrected. Now, if pref dot right the length is bigger than then we do pref dot right dot shift. Done. I mean, I guess we can always do return pref now. And this could already work. Oh. Oh, was this a problem, by the way? No, because I forgot the parentheses. Pref the right dot join. Const righty. Okay, yeah. this works. And now we need the alt. Also, what is very important is to also do both, to give both in the tokenization, which I just, by the way, realized we have this on key down, the enter, and I want this to be on key up, by the way. That is important to me. So that we have it on key up, right? Yeah. Yeah. So what's Toke's shelf? Okay, I guess we can pass this the Tokes. Is there anything else we want? No. Anything else? Everything else is fine. This, by the way, needs to be a thing. String now I plus previous dot write. We want this, right? Oh, but what do we do on space, by the way? I guess we token out just on enter. Yeah, that seems reasonable. So we need the tokes in up, not in down. Oh wow. There was more than I thought. I mean, we can also say that d.since.aces.toke, we can do it like this. And on 11, we can do it like this. And on 15, for frequencies, and we can also do it like this. Yes, and clear. Clear we need to give. I mean, we don't really need to. This would also work. Targets on 12 targets, yeah. Clear. In since, in up, give up. Mode. Up hat QWERTYs, Key und Clear. QWERTYs, Clear, Key and Clear. That's the function, not the function, yeah, it is. Oh wow. This is a lot of errors. Use frequency. Ah, that's annoying. This is so demotivating. And I want to finally have some lines in the middle. Use frequencies. Why is this suddenly popping up? Why is this suddenly popping up? Okay, first let's do it like this. Annoying. Cannot set property of undefined. Okay, first in Y, what has down to do with it? 276. Frequency shells. Oh, because we have it in here. But what? Yes, we have it twice. I think we already figured that out yesterday, that we accidentally have the on enter twice. But now that means that this was more up to date. So we have the choke here. And we want the frequencies to have I guess we can do it like this, and we do it once again, descends aces frequencies like this, forget about it, and then also in set string, that is correct. And we want this here as well to have this. Oh no, we already have this. And we have the clear. So this was fine. No, work. Why is it, what's the problem? This early. Is that the problem? Looks like it's fine now. Chill, dude. First, let's say else if key.key equals enter. Let's just return on the key down. Well, but here we have the problem in use tokes dot length. Okay. This is a problem. We do not deconstruct it. I think now it's fine. I really think that now it's fine. Oh, this changed, by the way. Interesting. So, now, what? What is this? Oh, wow, nothing works anymore. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, I guess I wasn't even at enter. Yeah, first we can already prepare this. Yeah, first let's check this. What is this? Oh, this doesn't. Yeah, that only goes to the last string. Fine. Okay, for now let's just take it. But what we need, what we definitely need before is when we select, yeah, that the string also gets QWERTY shelf select, and then he goes in since select, right? Yeah, first let's go in the string here. And then also have this be the style. To also apply here. That it's selected, yeah. But we also want on backspace. On backspace, we also want the right states the current string right equals this, and right is also this. Oops. Yeah, I know. This. And that's the problem here. This bug, but we do this. Now let's first yes, we want this. Oh, time Danke, das ist gut. It's also a little bit sticking here in the room because I have the curtains closed, so the lighting doesn't suck so much for the webcam. Yeah. So we are on up and we hit enter. So this, let's first say, this just happens when the mode is sing. We need the mode again. We need the mode again. Use since and in up, give down, give up. Here. Wait. Put dot indo dot mode. If mode dot current equals sing, then we want this. Oh, but we already, by the way, no, maybe not, because we already handled this. No, this is wrong, by the way. Yeah, then we want to assign it. Yeah, but that is, I mean, it's not really wrong. I mean, we do want what I'm currently trying to understand, that this is once again a use state, so it takes a render for the frequency to update with the latest string. Can we make then? No, we can't. So what we do is Yeah, no, we do not say that it takes the shelf frequencies. This is wrong. We do not want this. I guess we can do this in lines. We want to do this in lines. Use line switches. It's just boilerplate for now. Until now, because now we actually do something in here. Function without a name, and a nominal function, an uncallable function. Not clear. It's just boilerplate. What do you want to clear? Okay, come on, go ahead. Clear. What do you want cleared? Oh, that's mean. I don't want to be mean to Mr. Copilot. I guess. You know what? I wanted to do folds the whole time. And we fold the frequency into a line. And unfolding, and unfolding, and unfolding, I am colorblind. One of the few songs I learned on the piano. No, dude, don't be so quick. Don't be so... Oh, Jenny, don't be hasty. Oh, pilot, don't be hasty. Don't treat this like some... Don't treat this like some base code. Base... Don't treat it like it's basic. Hmm? One second. Where do we have the lines? In the dice. Yeah, that's actually reasonable to have it in the dice. D.dice. A system lines. This is so long, but it's just writing it once, and then it's written code. And as you see, it kind of works. And I'm so sure that, yeah, I'm so sure about this. Well, oh, where do we get this, by the way? Okay, we are even up. We don't even have the X. Okay, so let's say the frequency equals d.sins.frequencies. Oh no, wait. Basis.frequencies. I have to pee. Jenny, you are crazy. First I'm perfect, then I'm lazy. I was calling you my baby. Sounds like you just left me, and it kills me. Ooh. If I was 23, I'm only 39. Obviously not you. Who are you answering to? Oh, Jenny, don't be hasty. Oh, don't read me like a baby. Let me take you where you let me. 'Cause leaving just upsets me. Oh, Jenny, you are crazy. First I'm perfect, then I'm lazy. I was calling you my baby. Something you just left me, and it kills me. I'll be right back. Made a little bit mess while I was sick the last 3-4 days. I just threw everything without cleaning, like around on the floor without cleaning. So just in between a little cleanup. All right. Yeah. Frequence.insta. Right. Frequence. No, not the UI element. First, let's close some lines I can keep open. Sorry. Frequence. I wish someone would join. It would be a little more fun if people. I mean, as you can tell, I'm expecting first for this to be a success, but that's not unusual, I think. You wouldn't spend so much time on anything really without you thinking it would be successful if the goal for it is to be successful. Not everything is based on success or not. You can do things just for fun. Yeah, but I think it's good if you have a project in your life, or maybe even more than one, where you're seeking success. And if you are successful, find a new one. Like always have one where it's not successful yet. Says the guy living in a fucking semi-homeless shelter. Yeah, kind of. It's not far off. Giving advice on how to be successful. Yeah, but that's my point. No one's listening right now. And if you do, right now, your right now, which is also my right now, but somewhere else, I hope, Um, then I lost my thought. Something with success. Oh yeah, because yeah, I would like for it to someone, if I could chat with someone, or if someone like was working on the same thing, and I could bring the person up to speed with the code, and then we could work on it together. That would be pretty cool. Okay. Insta current selected. No, not insta nest. Insta current nest. But we can strike the current because insta nest. And that is the frequency. And then we go. The lines were in dice. Aces. Lines save fold. Close Mr. Frequency and talk. And then if this is another talk, then we do the same thing here. Do some boilerplate without the talk. We just give it the frequency. So we just assume this will work. And then this seems fine. And also we need to clear the frequency, which we do. We do have a clear function, right? Not selected. And then let's add as if what's equals frequency. Yep. But also, yeah. So here in the up function, we go in d.since.base. Oh yeah, that was correct. Thank you, Mr. Copilot. This could actually work. And then we do a console log of frequency. But maybe it's just because the save took longer than my enter. Maybe, disconnected. Is it reconnected? Looks like it. Looks like it's reconnected. Oh, yes. Okay, so we have now the reconnection is successful. Took a second. Yeah, but also let's restart the stream, because I have the feeling that we actually first we can chunk it up into more, that it's not that long. You know what? Maybe I should even restart the stream every 55 minutes. if I think about it. So see you soon in a couple of